football, basketball, hockey, and more.
I love to play in Flint.
And it was all free today for the Fresh Flint Festival.
We just started brainstorming and we said, wouldn't it be cool if we had an event where with athletes engaging with kids?
Basketball greats including Jeff Grayer showed up to represent for the community as they continue to battle through the water crisis.
When the parents, the kids, and everyone are frustrated about the water situation and everybody's kind of angry trying to get to a resolution, we wanted to have just one day where, the families can come out and just enjoy themselves.
With everything out here, from bounce houses to football, even basketball, kids are out here getting fit and fresh for Flint. Bryson Sneed and his brother Ethan took aim on the football field on one corner of the event center, happy to spend their Saturday out learning new skills.
You get to hit the bags and stuff because I'm learning about football.
And some kids worked the information tables, making sure Flint residents went home with information they need to keep their households healthy and happy.
It's fun to help people that need it.
With the community in all smiles, players like Grayer say this is what Flint needs.
This is what it's all about for our water to be good.
All right. You can't say anymore.